This is a groovy space, and we are here in Tullamarine, Victoria 3083. We got a ground floor unit. It's a entrance to the driveway there, and the unit here is the second unit after that door. Okay. Now the size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 3 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Here's the unit. There's two entrances, one on the far end of the corridor, and of course the nearest entrance is here. Okay, I'm going to show you what are some of the goods. There's a lot of clothing here, bags after bags of clothing, easily about 20 to 25 bags here. There is a buffet and Hutch at the back here, and all those wrapped in plastic wrapping. They are all glass bottles, glassware, some with and without a closer. You can see all the clothing here. Another lot of knickknacks below there, various bedside table, two dressing table, two chests of drawers here, and two filing cabinet here. Give you an idea what some of the stuff is here. There's a Hoover dryer here, bedside, a bed frame, but I can't see the base. Shoes below. Nothing is tested here. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. And there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you remove everything, we'll refund you back the $250 cash only deposit. Once again, this is in Tullamarine, Victoria 3043. This is downstairs on the ground floor in the corridor. And check out the we are closed on Christmas Day and Boxing Day. Open again on the 27th, and then close again on the normal holiday. The first, reopen on the 2nd. Just check out the opening and closing hours on the description page. Go in and show you the it's all clothing's in the back, or bags of Thank you for watching.